Hello students. Today our topic is writing of the electronic configuration of the different elements. So electronic configuration is very important topic. At the same time, it is very easy topic. So before going to the electronic configuration, you have to know the fundamental things you have to know. So first one is called as the atomic number. What is meant by atomic number? Atomic number is nothing but the number of the protons inside the nucleus or number of the electrons outside of the nucleus which are present in the orbitals, different orbitals, different orbits it is present, or different shells it is present. So those electrons are we are arranging in a different orbitals according to their the energy level. So in this process we have to arrange the lower energy level to the higher energy level, we have to arrange. So here electronic configuration definition in the sense distribution of the electrons in a different orbitals according to their energy level, it is called as a electronic configuration. So here we can see the four different type of the orbitals we can see. So here first orbital is called as a s orbital, second orbital is called as a p orbital, third orbital is called as a d, fourth one is called as a f orbital. So here how many electrons it can accommodate? So S can accommodate 2 electrons, P can accommodate 6 electrons, D can accommodate 10 electrons, F can accommodate 14 electrons, it can accommodate 14 electrons. So you have to remember these numbers, you have to remember how many electrons s orbital can accommodate maximum. That means it can take how many electrons? 2 electrons it can take. P orbital how many electrons? It will take 6 electrons. D orbital how many electrons? 10 electrons. F orbital how many electrons? 14 electrons it will take. So now see here writing of the electronic configuration. So there are the two methods is there. First one is called as a Euler diagram. So that's already we know. The next one, see here. First, what is the orbital? S orbital is there. Just repeat this twice. You have to repeat. Yes, yes. Twice you have to repeat. Yes, yes. So next one, what is the next orbital? P orbital is there. Just write the P orbitals. PS. You can write that twice. You can write the PS like this. You can write PS PS. Next one. So you can make it as a any sentence also, making whether it is a meaningful or not, whatever it may be. Maybe it like maybe it will feel like funny also. You can make here. See here, school school, public school, public school. Next one, you can see the DPS, Delhi Public School. You can see the DPS, Delhi Public School. You can see the Fine Delhi Public School. Next one, Fine Delhi Public School. So here just write like this. After that we have to make the line like this. So here you have to write the some numbers you have to write. If you write the some numbers, then writing of the electronic configuration very easy. Generally whenever we are writing the whenever we are writing the numbers, which number we will write initially? Initially we will write the first number we will write. That is only the thing we are following. So here also write the first number, write the first number 1. After that what will number will come? 2, number 2 will come. So first row, first row, what is ending with? It is ending with the 2 na? Just write this 2, extend with the 2 and write after the 2 what will come? 3 will come. See here what is the end one? Number 3. Write this 3 and write the number 4. So here 3 4 is there. So see here 3 4 is there. Here how many letters is there? 3 letters is there. Whatever the number is there, just write the 3 4 and after the 4 what will come? 5 will come. See here DPS is there. So CPS what is it is ending 3 4 5 3 4 5 is there. So take the last two numbers you have to take, because we have to take the two numbers we have to take, and here also you can take, write like 4 5 6, 4 5 6, write this. See here 4 is there. So 4 is there in the sense we have to take the these three, whatever the these three is there, right, as it is 4 5 6 4 4 5 4 5 6 7, you have to write the 4 5 6 7 you have to write. See here also you have to take the last three only we have to take. So now you can write 5 6 7 8. So done, electronic configuration done. So let us see how we will see here 1s, right, like 1s. What is the s capacity? S capacity is 2, p orbital capacity is 6, d orbital capacity is 10, f orbital capacity is 14. See here 1s2. Next one what will be there here? 2. 2, what is orbital? Yes, 2s2. So 1s2, 2s2. Next 2p, p capacity how much? 6, 2p6, 3s2. Next one 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, Next one 4p6 5s2. Next one, see here, 4d10 5p6 6s2 4f. F orbital capacity how much? 14 electrons. Next one 5d10 6p 6 7s2. Next one here, see, 5f14. Next one 6d10. Next one 7p6 8s2. So by using this you can find you can write the electronic configuration of the different elements also you can write. For example, I am writing the electronic configuration of the oxygen. I am writing how many electrons? 8 electrons is there oxygen. So here 8 electrons. So first we have to write the like this we have to write. So here 1s2 2s2 2p. See here how this number is indicated, the above number is indicated the electrons number. These numbers is indicated the electrons number. See here 2 plus 2 4. How many electrons left? 4 electrons is left. So here you can write 1s2 2s2 2p4. By using this you can write. So here in this video I will explain about the how to write the electronic configuration. For 1 to 10 you can see the 1 to 10. See for example hydrogen is there. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So how to write? So here hydrogen atomic number is 1, helium atomic is number 2, lithium 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see here hydrogen atomic number is 1. That means what is having only 1 electrons it is having. So you can write the 1 electrons. First what the number we have to write? We have to write the 1. This is called as a shell number. We have to this is called as a shell. After the subshell we have to, what is the subshell? 1s. 1s only we have to write. 2s you should not write because what will happen, it is having only 1 electron. So 1s 1 you have to write. So helium again 1s, how many electron? 2 electron. 2 electron. So you should not write like 1s1 2s1, you should not write. S capacity is 2. That means completely it is occupied the 2. After the 2 only it is shifted into the next energy level. So 1s2. Next one you can write 1s2. See here 1s2. After the 1s2 what will be there? 2s. So 2s1. So 1s2 2s2 is the electronic configuration for the lithium. Next one is beryllium. So beryllium electronic configuration is 1s2. Next one 2s2. So see here 2 plus 2 4. Whatever these numbers are the electrons. That is only distributing of the electrons in a different orbitals. So next one you can write the 1s2 2s2. Next one 1s2 2s2 completed 4 electron. How many electrons will left? 1 electron will be left. 1s2 2s2 2p1. So next one you can write 1s2 2s2 4 electron. How many electrons will left? 2 electrons will left. So you should not write like that 2p1 and 3 2p1 and 3s. You should not write that because here the number should end with the 6 only, it should be end, then only it is correct. So here 1s2 2s2 2p1 1s2 2s2. So only 1 electron is extra. So 1s2 2s2 2p2. Next one 1s2 2s2 2p3. See here 3 5 6 7. So it is 1s2 2s2 2p2. This is 2p3. This is 2p4. See here 1s2 2s2 2p5 5 to 7 to 9. So here 1s2 2s2 2p6, totally 10 electrons is occupied. So this is the way to write the electronic configuration. So now you can see the another so 2 more elements also you can see. For example, if you take the sodium, you can take sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus. So sodium. So how can you start? Again we can start with the 1s2. Next one 2s2 4 electron. 1s2 2s2 2p6. So total 10 electron. After the 10 electron we can write 3s1. 3s1 we can write. See here 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11 electron. See here next one you can write magnesium, who is having the 12 electron. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. Say next one you can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. After the 3s2, one electron will left. So you can write the here. So 3p1. See here 3p1. See here, count here 2 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you can write here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Phosphorus you can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. See here, you can see 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. You can see this is the electronic configuration of the neon is there. So instead of writing the all this, you can write the neon bracket, because it is replacing the electronic configuration of the neon. So instead of writing all this, you can write neon 3s2. This is called as a condensed form of the electronic configuration. So you can write neon is nothing but what? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. You can write 3s2, 3p1. So here you can write neon 3s2. We have to write the inert gases only. You have to substitute like this: 3s2, 3p2. So instead of, you can write neon 3s2, 3p3. 3s2, 3p3 you can write. So next one you can see, this is the way of the writing the electronic configuration. So next one you can see, sulfur, chlorine, you can see. See here, sulfur, how many electrons is there? 16 electrons is there. So you can write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. See here, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Next one, 3s2, 3s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. See here, count the electrons. See here, 2 electrons. Here 8 electrons. See here, how many? 8 plus 2, 10, 2. So you can write 3p4. See here, total 6. So 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 2, 16 electron. So chlorine, another comes to chlorine. See here, write 1s2, next one 2s2, next one 2p6, next one 3s2, next one 3p, 3s2, 3p5, 1s2. So total, see here 2, 8, here 7. So total 17 electrons are present. So next you can see also argon also you can see right here, argon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Total electron should be equal to the atomic number. So next one you can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. After the 3p6, what will be there? 4s we can write. How many electron left? 1 electron. So 4s1. See calcium, we can write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Now we can write 4s2 you can write. So you can write the condensed form of the sulfur also you can write. So neon, whose atomic number is 10. That means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 6. Now you can write 3s2, 3p4 you can write. So next you can write neon 3s2, 3p5 you can write. See here again argon you can see 3s2, 3p6 is argon. So here same electronic configuration is repeating for the potassium. So instead of writing the potassium, you can write the potassium electronic configuration is argon 4s1 you can write. So next one you can write argon 4s2. Argon 4s2 is nothing but electronic configuration of the calcium. So this is about the electronic configuration 1 to 20 elements. So next video I will make the electronic configuration 20 to 40. So share this video if you like this video, like and comment in the comment section. Thank you.